Get your faces ready to laugh. It's the Lil Sam Cat Show. And now, in sumo suits, that's Japanese for fat, it's Lil Sam and Lil Cat.
I love these suits. I can't believe I found these in the dumpster behind the studio.
Wait, you got these out of the trash? You said they were vintage.
That's what vintage means. Taking someone else's garbage and wearing it like it's cool.
Oh, well, that does explain why there's a rat in my suit. Wah! Wah! Wah!
I knew the rat was there the whole time. Y'all want to see the first clip now?
We used an internet translator to decode Hector's bedtime story.
Results may not be accurate at all.
Ich nullen Bluts und Frick, der Pudgy Monkey.
There once was a skinny kitten named Pudgy Monkey.
Ak pishkula, aka yokto nibla.
Whose hairy uncle made him learn the cha-cha.
Oink vishmka, jetzt go besh falopie.
He cha-cha'd so much that he started to grow lady parts.
Shima! Yepa kanadaba left na pulit.
Lip gloss! Yelled his doctor, who sneezed and gave him boy ointment.
Malkaf, Nalo, Fellow, Malek, Utania, Petrosini.
And Pudgy Monkey lived happily ever after with his pineapples.
Petrosini.
Ah, pineapples.
Man, foreign stories are weird.
Yes, they are.
Hey, I heard that Jennette and Ari do this cool thing on set where they dance with their guest stars.
Yeah, I heard that too.
So I thought it would be fun to dance with our guest stars.
But we don't have guest stars.
Oh, yes, we do. Music, please.
Roar.
So who am I dancing with?
Eh?
Hold on. Why do you get the handsome lion and I get this slimy reptile? See you later, alligator.
I'm a crocodile.
Same thing.
I cannot dance, Hector. Hector, I not dance! I not know how! It's like whatever dancing like this. It's not good. You not understand what I say, huh? I not feel right do this. This is look like clown.
Look at it.
What is it? You look like bouncy worm, yeah?
Oh!
Or you ultra?
Kaka da senga, bumba da senga da teshka da senga.
Hey, Lil Sam, I found the hidden fan picture in this week's episode.
That's great. I found this ball of lint in my belly button.
You should not be excited about that. And your belly button must be huge.
Hey, can you press the button for me? My hands are full.
Our fan of the week is Oscar from Ramseur, North Carolina. Now searching security footage from earlier today for face match.
Before we go, here are Jennette and Ariana with 6 things you should never take into the bathtub with you.
Goat cheese!
A porcupine,
Blue suede shoes.
jellyfish,
A frozen turkey!
and an angry cow.
Those girls sure know what they're talking about.
Celebrities are really smart.
I don't like where this is going.
Nope.
Oh, man! They were supposed to buy me lunch today.